GE range model PGP9830TJWW error codes. GE profile 30-inch natural gas cooktop with 4 sealed burners, installs over oven, ADA compliant, glass ceramic surface, downdraft exhaust, electronic ignition, sealed cooktop burners. Error codes. Code F0. Problem: clear off key error. Fix: unplug the range for 3 minutes to reset the electronic control board and then restore power. If the code returns, replace the glass touch control panel. If the problem continues, replace the electronic control board. Code F1 or FF. Problem: defective electronic control board. Fix: unplug the range for 3 minutes to reset the electronic control board and then restore power. If the code returns, replace the electronic control board. Code F2. Problem: oven over temperature. Fix: if the oven overheated, the electronic control board likely has a stuck relay. Replace the electronic control board. If the oven is at room temperature, the oven temperature sensor could be defective. Code F3. Problem: oven temperature sensor is defective, electrically open. Fix: unplug the range, disconnect the oven temperature sensor and check the resistance of the oven temperature sensor using a volt-ohm meter. The oven temperature sensor should measure around 1100 ohms at room temperature. Code F4. Problem: oven temperature sensor is defective, electrically shorted. Fix: unplug the range, disconnect the oven temperature sensor and check the resistance of the oven temperature sensor using a volt-ohm meter. The oven temperature sensor should measure around 1100 ohms at room temperature. Code F5 or F6. Problem: gas lockout valve failure. Fix: unplug the range and check the gas lockout valve wiring. Reconnect any loose wires. Replace the wire harness if damaged. If the wiring is okay, replace the gas lockout valve. Code F9 or FC. Problem: oven door lock failure. Fix: unplug the range and secure any loose connections in the wire harness between the oven door lock assembly and the electronic control board. Replace the wire harness if damaged. Check the oven door lock assembly and replace it if damaged. Code FD. Problem: defective meat probe. Fix: unplug the meat probe, allow the oven to cool before unplugging the meat probe. If the FD code disappears once the meat probe is unplugged, then replace the meat probe because it's defective.